Hello, I'm a flat-headed screwdriver. I can't see anything because I don't have any eyes, and I can't hear anything because I don't have any ears. I pretty much live most of my life in a toolbox until my owner needs me to do something for him. I am most happy when I get to turn screws. I prefer to turn screws into something instead of removing screws. When I turn screws clockwise, feel like I am building something, and that is always exciting. My owner used me mostly to turn screws, either in or out, but other things I get used for is to stir up the paint inside of paint cans. Sometimes I open paint cans, and sometimes he use me like a punch, and then he hits me with a hammer. I am not very happy when he uses me as a punch, as he hits my head when the hammer hits me. I just love turning in screws, which is my biggest strength, and I am really good at it. I really hate it when my owner uses me to stir up paint, and really hate that because sometimes he forgets to wipe the paint off of me when he is done. And I hate going back into the toolbox with paint all over me. If there is anything that I could change, I think that I would like to become one of those new fancy electric screwdrivers. My owner used the electric screwdriver when he has lots of screws to turn an hour out. But I know that I am stronger than those electric screwdrivers, as my owner swears when they run out of battery. When that happens, I know that he is going to reach for me, as I never get tired and do not have batteries to go dead. I can't turn screws all day long as my owner doesn't get tired. The other thing that I would change would to have a fancy red handle instead of a boring black and white handle that I have now. Some of my buddies in the toolbox have red handles, and they seem to be all fancy. I am really afraid of being used for something that I am not meant to do. When my owner uses me to squash ants, or sometimes he gives me to his kids to play with, and they like to throw me into the dirt and stuff. Not cool. To change or help the world, I would ask to someone send me to a very poor country where they do not have any tools. This way, I could really help to build things that people really need in their daily lives. And this is my story. Thank you.